Hi, my name is Julie Collins with Julie Collins Photography, and today I'm going to be talking to you about white balance. If I had to choose one tool that I've learned over the years that has improved my photography the most, that would be learning how to select custom white balance in camera. Objects change their color depending on the lighting conditions that they're under, and our eyes and our brain compensate for that really easily, but cameras do not. And so if you do not set a custom white balance in your camera, your color can be off. So in order to save time editing your color later, you can set your custom white balance under the current lighting conditions that you're shooting under and save a lot of time editing it later. So all you really need to do that is a gray card, which is this. Gray cards come in all different shapes and sizes. I prefer a larger one because it's easier to fill the frame with the gray, and it also doubles as a reflector at all of my sessions. To set a custom white balance in your DSLR is very easy. You just have to find the menu in your camera, and I'll show you how it works with a Canon 5D Mark III, which is what I shoot with. To get a custom white balance in your camera, all you need to do is take a picture of your gray card using your camera, filling the entire frame with the gray part. If you don't have anybody to hold it for you at your session, you could bring along a light stand and clamp it to it, or you could prop it up against a tree. I usually use the children in my sessions because I do a lot of families, and they love holding it for me. They actually fight over it. Next, I'm going to show you in camera how to change the settings. The next step is to set your camera settings. Go under Menu and scroll down to where you see White Balance. Your settings will probably say AWB, which means Auto White Balance. Click on Set, and you can scroll over to this symbol, which is your Custom White Balance. Set again, scroll down one to Custom White Balance. Set. Your picture of the gray card will be here. Click Set one more time and scroll over to OK, and your color in your camera will be perfect. That's all there is to it. Setting a custom white balance is super easy. I hope you learned something new today and that you get perfect color right out of your camera every session. Have a great day. Thanks for joining us.